Hey there, data explorers. Imagine a city unlike any other. Streets pulse with information. Buildings hum with algorithms. This is Modality City, where different types of data live and thrive. Each district has its own vibe. Pixelville bursts with colorful images and videos. Soundscape Central grooves to the rhythm of music and speech. But today, we're visiting a quieter, more thoughtful district. It's called the Library, a place ruled by logic and language. Here, words are king. Sentences flow like rivers, and stories unfold with every paragraph. In the heart of the library, we'll meet someone special. He's the one who can tell us all about the power of text. He's the master of words, the architect of sentences. Everyone calls him Lex. Lex welcomes us with a warm smile, his eyes twinkling like 1,000 punctuation marks, inviting us into his world of words and ideas. He explains that each district in Modality City represents a different way that AI experiences the world. These are called modalities, and each one is unique, just like neighborhoods in a bustling city. Think of it like your senses, Lex says. Sight, sound, touch, taste, smell. These are your modalities as a human, helping you explore and understand everything around you. AI has its own, but instead of senses, it uses data. Data is the language of machines, allowing them to interpret the world in their own way. Text, Lex continues, is one of the most important modalities for AI. It's how we communicate with machines through code, commands, and stories, bridging the gap between human thought and artificial intelligence. It's also how AI understands and generates human language, making sense of our words and responding in ways that feel natural. Just like you can read a book or write a message, AI can process and create text, opening up endless possibilities for communication and creativity. This ability is what makes chatbots, language translators, and even some creative writing tools possible, helping us connect, learn, and express ourselves in new ways. Text is super important for AI, Lex emphasizes. It's like the foundation of a skyscraper. From the very beginning, text has played a crucial role in shaping AI. Early programs were all about understanding written language and following instructions coded in text. Think about it. Every website, every app, every line of code, it all starts with text. Today, text is still the backbone of many AI systems. Take language models, for example. These powerful AI systems, like the one I'm talking to right now, are trained on massive amounts of text data. This allows them to understand the nuances of language, generate human-quality text, and even translate between languages. So how does AI actually make sense of text and understand what we mean? It's a question many people have when they first encounter artificial intelligence, Lex asks, anticipating our next question. It's a fascinating process that combines language, logic, and technology. He breaks it down into steps. First, there's tokenization, which is the starting point for understanding. The AI breaks down the text into smaller units, like words or even characters, depending on the complexity needed. Think of it like chopping up a sentence into individual words, so the AI can focus on each piece. Next, each word is transformed into a vector, a kind of numerical representation that captures its meaning and relationship to other words in the sentence. It's like giving each word a unique code that the AI can understand, almost like translating language into math. Now, these word vectors are fed into a neural network, which is a complex system inspired by the human brain and how it processes information. The network processes these vectors, looking for patterns and relationships between words, learning from vast amounts of data. Finally, based on the patterns it has learned, the AI generates a response that fits the context and intent of the original text. This could be anything from answering a question to writing a poem, or even holding a conversation. It's like magic, Lex says, but it's really just math and code working together to make sense of our words. Of course, Lex adds, text isn't perfect. It has its limitations and we need to be aware of them. One of the biggest challenges with text is ambiguity, which can make communication tricky. Words can have multiple meanings, and sentences can be interpreted in different ways depending on context. This can lead to misunderstandings, especially when AI interacts with humans or when people come from different backgrounds. Think about sarcasm or humor. Lex explains, which are often lost or misread in written form. These are hard to convey through text alone, since tone and intent can be unclear. Another limitation is that text is linear, meaning it unfolds one word after another. It forces us to express ideas in a specific order, which can make it difficult to capture the complexity of thought or show connections between ideas. Finally, text lacks the richness of our other senses, like sound, touch, or smell. It cannot fully capture the emotions conveyed through tone of voice, facial expressions, or body language, which are essential in face-to-face communication. Despite these limitations, text remains a powerful tool for communication and understanding, connecting people across time and distance.